my channel. So today's unboxing, I'm going to be doing Fab Fit Fun. Now, I am a little upset with Fab Fit Fun. I'm not going to lie. The reason is because people started receiving their Fab Fit Fun like early September, and when is it now? Like 3 weeks into September. I just got my Fab Fit Fun today. Now, I was not an annual subscription member, so I know the people who were or are, they get their boxes earlier, but still, 3 weeks into it, that was a little late, I believe. So anyway, I made sure that will never happen again. So I want to say I taught them a lesson, but not really. I signed up to be an annual subscription member because I want my damn box early too. I don't want to wait 3 weeks. Everybody unboxes it and I just gotta wait and be like, So anyway, but if you just stumbled onto my channel, you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the like button, and please turn on all notifications. I'd love to have you. I do giveaways on this channel. I do makeup tutorials, I do unboxings, I do some cooking, I do live streams every Saturday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And most importantly, who cares about me? My subscribers are amazing. So when you leave comments in the description box, see, that's why I say who cares about me? I can't even get it together half the time. But I have amazing subscribers, so when you leave comments in the comments section, let's say you're going through stuff and you have a bad day. My subscribers care. They care about each other. We're not about drama, and they will reach out to you as well. So I love that we're like a family. We have close friendships here, and we'd love to have you. So please join the channel and grow with us. Now, let's get into this. Oh, actually, see, I told you I don't have it all together. Let me tell you about Fab Fit Fun. So Fab Fit Fun is a lifestyle subscription box, okay? So it comes quarterly, and you're guaranteed to always get over a $200 value. It is $49.99 every 3 months. So you don't have to pay that every month and have a monthly fee. So let's say you're just looking for the right box that speaks to you and you don't want a monthly box. Maybe a quarterly one's right for you. Maybe you don't want just the makeup. Maybe you don't want just the clothing or just the jewelry. Lifestyle might be perfect for you. So let's get into Fab Fit Fun and you'll get to see what a lifestyle box looks like. The great thing is if you use my link to sign up, you save 50% off your first box. Yes, so $25 off. So you get your first box for 25 bucks. Can't beat it. So if you try it for the first quarter for $25, you don't like it, cancel. That's all you got to do. And then you got over $200. Yes, over $200 worth of products for 25 bucks, and then you can cancel. The choice is up to you. Just letting you know the facts. So this is what the box looks like for this quarter. So they use fall colors. I'm going to have to hold it up and cover my head because the box is that big. So this is the box. I'm going to go ahead and crack this baby open real quick. And I'll show you what it looks like. Again, I'm going to cover my head. So here's the box. And now, let's get into these items and see what we got. So you'll always get this like magazine type of pamphlet, and it basically just tells you about the items, gives you the description, and tells you how much they are worth. Okay, so it also gives you, because when you have Fab Fit Fun, if you're an annual subscriber, I don't remember how many items, but you can, if it's not all, it's most, but you can go in and choose, like they'll give you like 3 or 4 options and you can select which ones you want. So you get to personalize your box, which I really like. Now, if you're not an annual subscriber and you pay just like by the quarter, That's what I was doing before. You still get to personalize your box, but it's not as many items as if you were an annual member. So just keep that in mind. But what they do is in this magazine, they will list all of the products, the ones you missed out, or not missed out on, the ones you did not choose or the ones you did choose, just so you can get an idea of what the pricing would have been. All right, so that's the magazine. Okay, and then this is like a coupon code where it says it's love at first sight. Get started with $15 off your first box. I can do you even better and get you $25 off your first box, so we won't worry about that. This is an $80 gift card to HelloFresh. So they put that in there for me. And then this is always packaged up really nice with a sticker. And I'm just going to start grabbing. There's no rhyme or reason or order. I'm just going to grab what I see first, and we'll go from there, okay? So this is the first item I see in there. So this is Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. So let me find it real quick. Number 6. Okay. Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy. Instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees. So this is a $30 product by Aveda. So I'll definitely be able to check this out with my flat iron. So that's a cool item to get. So that's item number 1, and again, that was $30. Keep in mind, I paid $49.99 for this box. That was just item number 1, and I've almost gotten my money back. This bottle looks really cool, so I'm going to go ahead and grab that real quick. Okay, so this is Humankind Body Souffle. Lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. And this is $18. Let's see if I can smell it. It might have a seal on it. Yeah, there's a seal. I'll have to smell it after the fact, but I'm sure it smells like apricot and smells amazing. So right there, that was $30 and $18, so I'm already at $48. I'm $1.99 shy of what I paid for this box. And I got several items to go, so who doesn't love that? All right, so here's the next item in the box. Okay, so this is by Wonder Beauty. And let me go ahead and read about that. It's Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. Oh, and it's a 6-pack. These eye masks feature hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, and lavender oil to deeply hydrate the skin and offer a cooling effect. $25 for those, which Wonder Beauty is not cheap, but it's a great company and they have great products. So I'm really excited to get this. I got this, I think, in BoxyCharm once, and it only came with 1 pack. So to get 6 pairs is really good. Alright, so here's the next item. I do remember personalizing this. So here we go. This is a pair of earrings. And I thought they were really cute. Okay, so those are called the Bauble Bar Farah Ear Crawlers. From the intricate embellishments to the modern silhouette, these earrings are absolute showstoppers. And those retail for $34. Now, I do remember seeing on the website when I picked them, what I thought was cool about them, you see how they hang low like this, like straight down? They can actually be turned, and you can like do them where they crawl up your ear. That's why they call them ear crawlers. And they're really cute. And so I thought they were actually cuter that way, where they go up your ear almost like a vine. And that's why I got them. I thought they were gorgeous. So I'm excited to get those. And again, those are $34. So this is the next item in here. I thought these looked so cute. They looked really nice. I wanted to use these. So let's see what these are. Okay, so these are Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes and Juice Cleanse. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. And they retail for $16. So I am going to open these. Oh my God. They smell like just so tropical. And this is the size, like, so you'll be able to get like several uses out of these, I'm sure. There's, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 8 of these in here. I can't wait to use them. I smell kind of like papaya. It kind of smells like papaya to me. And maybe like a kiwi smell, but it smells really good. So I'm excited to put that in my shower. For sure. That's why I like lifestyle subscriptions. So if you're paying attention, I'm getting like items for my hair. I'm getting jewelry. I just got something for my shower. I got patches for underneath my eyes. So it just really varies, and that's what lifestyle subscriptions are all about. And that's to me why they're a lot of fun. Okay, so here's the next item. So this is by Amika. So let's see what I got. I think I personalized that item, but it's been so long. I can't remember. Okay. Yes, this is the Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. Have a good hair day every day. The 100% ceramic plates generate safe and even heat for shiny, smooth hair. And this is an $80. I love this color, by the way. It's really pretty. This is an $80 flat iron for your hair, and it has this adorable case. So let me go ahead and open it up. And yeah, it's the same color as the case it comes in. This is, I mean, a nice size, full size flat iron. So that's really cute. I'm happy to have that. And especially since they also included the flat iron, like the stuff for your hair that's good for heat protectant. So I like that they thought of doing both. So really good. But yeah, who doesn't love a case like that? That's really pretty. First I thought that was an umbrella. Told you I do not remember what I ordered. That's how long it's been, Fab Fit Fun. Y'all left me hanging this time. Okay, so the next item, this is what it looks like. So this is, let's see, Skin Volve. Skin Volve Body Boost Gel, formulated with green tea, ginseng, and menthol. The pre-workout gel targets problem areas to give you tighter, smoother skin. $45, guys. Menthol. I want to see if it smells like what is it? Is it Bengay? Is that the stuff people wear? Ooh, that smells really good. The Body Boost Gel. I have to check that out. I like every item so far. Okay, this is the next item, and I did personalize this item as well. I thought it was really cute. What I like doing in a lot of these boxes, especially the lifestyle subscriptions, is I like picking out stuff that I would gift to people, like for Christmas, birthdays, because to me in these subscription boxes, they help me save money. So when Christmas time comes around, or birthdays, anniversaries, whatever you want to say, you get all these items at such a discounted price. So like, let me see, how much was this worth? Let's see. Okay, so twine cheese board with plate, a removable ceramic plate, stainless steel cutlery, and a chic acacia wood serving platter. Yes, cheese. $30. Okay, so an item like this, instead of me going out and paying $30 for it, and there's several people that would want this and would really enjoy it, I got the whole box for $49.99. So you can't beat that. So this is another reason why I highly like recommend getting subscription boxes. I know people see us unbox them sometimes and they're like, I can't afford this or whatever. But if you think of in the long run how much you would really save with gifts and everything, because we're getting everything discounted. So that's something to keep in mind. So that's what I do. I put items to the side. Or if you're like starting a YouTube channel, like this also helps give back and do contests and giveaways for your subscribers at a discounted price. Okay, so this is what this looks like. It's really cute. So here's the ceramic plate. These are the two utensils that come with it, and then it's the wood cutting board. So that's really cute. And it's a great gift to give to somebody, especially for a cheaper price. Okay, so that was everything that I got in the box. Let me know what you think in the comments below, or the items I chose. I think I did pretty good. Sometimes I pick stuff that other people don't choose, because I think a lot of people are like, oh, I already have like a cheese board. I don't have a need for that. Or maybe I already have a flat iron. But I'm always thinking ahead. I'm always thinking of, okay, well, just because I have it doesn't mean I can't gift it or get my money for it later. So anyway, I don't know. I try to think smarter, not harder. But anyway, maybe that's the cheapskate in me. I don't know. But I think I did really well for $49.99, guys. Like all the products that I got. And again, you can do really well too. Use my link, sign up, get $25 off your first box. If you love Fab Fit Fun, stick around. You still will get your money's worth, as you can see. But if you just want to get a box for $25, worth $200 worth of product, nothing wrong with that. You can always cancel right after you sign up and get it. So anyways, love you guys. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. And I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.